Hello everyone! Welcome back to Music Time with Jay. Today we are going to sing a color song and number song in Tereo Maori. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Ma is white, whero is grey, kākāriki green. Mangu is black, pango is two, a, e, I, o, u. Kōwhai yellow, pa-kākā brown, kiko-rangi blue. Pa-raka-raka is our orange, a, e, I, o, u. Tahi is one, rua is two, toru is number three. Whai is four, rima is five, a, e, I, o, u. Ono is six, whitu is seven, waru is number eight. Iwa is nine, tekau is 10, pa, e, I, o, u. It would be nice to play a color game with your family while you are singing. And you can also share your counting in Tereo Maori or your own language with us. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.